Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to each and everyone, especially those at the other side of the world. There is no time and space between us. There is only this present moment, and we are one. We are now in diary entry 914, and we will also be including diary entry number 941. I myself suffered a great deal and was much tried in this respect. Therefore, I am writing only about what I myself have experienced. It was only after many novenas, prayers, and penances that God sent me a priest who understood my soul. Oh, there would be many more saintly souls if there were more experienced and saintly confessors. Right, repeat. Many a soul earnestly striving for sanctity cannot manage by itself during times of trial and abandons the road to perfection. O Jesus, give us fervent and holy priests. O how great is the dignity of the priests, but at the same time, how great is his responsibility. Much has been given to you, O priest, but much will also be demanded of you. Ako mismo ay lubhang nagdusa at nasubukan sa bahaging ito. Kung kaya ay sinusulat ko lamang kung paano ang aking mismong naranasan. Pagkatapos lamang ng maraming panahon ng pagnanobena, pananalangin at penitensya, saka ipinadala ng Diyos ang isang pari na makauunawa sa aking kaluluwa. O marami pang magiging mga banal na kaluluwa kung marami lamang na bihasang pari at banal na kumpesor. Maraming mga kaluluwa na nagsusumikap tungo sa kabanalan ay hindi nakukuhang ayusin ng sarili sa panahon ng mga pagsubok at tinatakasan na lamang ang daan tungo sa perfection. O Jesus, bigyan mo kami ng maalab at banal na pari. O anong dakila ng dignidad ng pari. Subalit kasabay nito, anong laki rin ng kanyang responsibilidad. Mas marami ang iginawad sa iyo o pari. Subalit mas marami rin ang itatakda sa iyo. So in the past few days, Faustina was discussing about spiritual directorship, confessor. Ayan. So may ilan siyang mga napuna sa kanyang mga karanasan. So everything was based on her experience. She cannot write something that is out of experience kasi syempre out of experience nga she would never know if those hypothetical things would be the same. So, para safe, ang ginagawa talaga niya, karanasan. Even in recommendations, even in parang discussing points, these are all based on her experiences. So, sabi niya, she was also tried on this aspect, no? Sa pagkakaroon ng spiritual director. She was able to attain or receive the grace of having a spiritual director only after many novenas, prayers, and penances. Ganun daw, binigay sa kanya ng Panginoon ang kanyang spiritual director. Pagkatapos ng napakaraming pagnonobena, pananalangin, at penitensya. We have read many of her novenas, prayers, and penances. So actually, ang dami na niyang naranasan bago pa niya talaga nakasalamuha o bago pa talaga niya nakilala ang kanyang spiritual director. She had waited for so long, no? Parang isang asawa na or boyfriend muna, syempre, no? Na pinanalangin mo kay Lord. Araw-araw, Lord, bigyan mo ako ng mabuting boyfriend or mabuting mapapangasawa. Di siya nagmadali, bagamat may mga dumarating sa kanyang buhay na mga lalaki, mananliligaw, mga nagustuhan din naman niya yung iba, no? Pero, kung hindi pa niya feel na ito na talaga yon, hindi talaga siya pumasok sa relasyon, no? Parang ganon. So, in the same manner, after a lot of prayers, so nagsimula yan, eto, Lord, bigyan mo naman ako ng maayos na spiritual director, na confessor. Kasi every time he would confess, no, yung mga pari na nilalapitan niya were not of at least the same level as her, no? Hindi man lamang at least pareho ng spiritual level nila. So, how could you confess to someone na hindi ka naman mauunawaan dahil hindi naman naranasan or kulang sa kasanayan? So, if you would like to have a spiritual director who is really very good, who is of higher spiritual level than you are right now, medyo mahihirapan kasi ah hindi ganun kadali kumbaga makamtan. The Lord knows when to give us a spiritual director. Of course, the spiritual director would come at the point of your life na talagang ang hirap, na hirap ka na. And that uh, you really need someone who is visible, yung makikita mo, yung mahawakan niya, at yung makapagsasabi sa kanya ng mga bagay-bagay. So it took her a lot of prayers. It took her so long to receive the grace of having a good spiritual director na nakaunawa sa kaniyang kaluluwa. And sabi pa nga niya, no, ganito ang sabi pa niya, there would be many more saintly souls had there been more experience and more experience and saintly confessors. Mas marami sana na magiging mga banal na mga kaluluwa kung marami lamang na mga sanay, no? May mga karanasan at mga banal na kompresor. Ang daming mga kaluluwa na nag-iintay ng gabay. No? Pero sabi nga, there was this saying, when the student is ready, the teacher appears. No? Narinig ko rin yan doon sa Lion King, no? Sinabi nung, sinabi nung unggoy, no? Who represents wisdom, yung matandang unggoy siya who represents wisdom. Sabi niya ngayon, no? When the student is ready, the teacher appears. No? So, dapat kinakakitaan tayo ng readiness. At kapag talagang ready na tayo, nag-a-appear naman daw. So, hindi hayaan ng Panginoon na maglakbay tayo na nag-iisa along the path towards perfection or sainthood, no? Along the way, pag ready na, isang mag-aaral, dumarating siya. So, minsan lang, hindi naman talaga yan yung parang pare, hinahangad natin, no? But someone in the path who's more advanced than we are and who could provide us with the guidance that we need. So, yun daw, maraming kaluluwa na talaga nagsusumikap sa kabanalan. Kaya lang, ayan, nahihirapan na i-manage yung sarili sa mga panahon ng mga pagsubok. Kaya pag nahihirapan, wala na lang, titigil na lang. Marami akong ganitong mga kakilala. No? Kasabay mo na naglalakad. Tapos hindi mo alam kung bakit, aba, nasaan na ba si ganito? Nawala na. Mga servers sa simbahan na una talagang punong-puno ng passion, punong-puno ng, ano no, ng zest ng pagsusumika para matutunan, para maraming kamtan sa ginagawa, no? Pero along the way, nababawasan. So these are the people na hindi kinaya and maybe because they have no spiritual director, kaya nawawala, no? Nakakapanghinayang. Pero ganun talaga, no? Maybe they are not yet that ready. No? Kumbaga, sabi nga, when the student is ready, the master or the teacher appears. Maybe they are not ready yet. No? Yung nagkaroon sila ng yung konting tapik, tinapik ng Panginoon, sa kanila, big deal na yun, hirap na sila. And so, the only option for them was to get out of the loop, no? Nawala na lang, hindi mo na mapakiusapan. Uy, serve naman, no? Hindi na, kasi nga, nadala or may mga experience na hindi maganda. But then, those who are really persistent, makakamtan at makakamtan naman ang gabay na hinahangat. Sabi ni Faustina, eto pa, isang sabi niya, "O Jesus, give us fervent and holy priests." No? Oh, how great is the dignity of the priest, but at the same time, how great is his responsibility. Kasi nga, again, quoting from what we have, maybe kayo din, you have watched, no? Sabi ni Spider-Man. With great power comes greater responsibility. With greater power comes greater responsibility, or with great power comes great responsibility. So, ganun din, ano? Biruin mo, yung sinabi ni Spider-Man, sinabi na rin pala ni Faustina. So, nauna syempre si Faustina because this was in the 1930s. Much has been given to you, O priest, but much will also be demanded of you. So, ito mga pari natin, mga superheroes ito no? At kapag binigyan ng mas maraming kapangyarihan, syempre, mas maraming uh, i-demand sa'yo, no? Parang isang CEO o Chief Executive Officer ng isang kumpanya. Sa corporate world, if you are given a higher or the highest position, syempre, mas malaking hihingin sa'yo. No, if you are a unit manager of a certain branch, no, may quota ka na mas mataas kaysa dun sa ordinaryong miyembro mo. Things that would be expected to you, mas mataas kaysa dun sa ordinaryong mga kasama mo sa grupo. If you are the parish coordinator in your parish, much would be demanded of you. So, huwag magtataka yung mga parish coordinator, bakit tatanungin ka o ano na ang nagawa mo sa pagpapalaganap ng banal na awa sa parokya mo. Tinatanong yan sa parish coordinator, paulit-ulit, no? Pero sa isang ordinaryong miyembro, deboto ng banal na awa sa Divine Mercy Apostolate in your parish, hindi ganun kakulit, no? Kasi hindi naman nabigyan pa ng kapangyarihan, ng responsibility. So, if you aspire, maraming ganyan no, nag-aspire, even in the, eto, no, in the religious work where we are, kahit wala namang bayad, no, kita mo marami pa rin yung parang nabubulag doon sa kapangyarihan. So, mag-uunahan sa pagiging or occupying that higher post, halimbawa coordinator, no? So, minsan hindi nila alam kung anong hinahangad nilang posisyon, no? Because if you would be aspiring for that position, you would be expected of something, no? Halimbawa, yung organization nyo, we're not leaving the Divine Mercy Apostolate. Na, halimbawa, your Divine Mercy Apostolate has a lot of funds, no? Yung For example, nasa isang ano ka, no? Isang community ka na medyo uh, from the middle up to upper class yung mga communities, no? Of course, hindi naman ano yan. Kasi mga upper class to middle class ang nandun sa community. Definitely that apostolate, if you are a member of that apostolate, yan yung mga ano, yan yung medyo alam natin na hindi nahirapan sa usaping pinansyal, no? So maraming sumusuport. Kaya mapapansin niyo rin, marami rin ang talagang interested in the position. I've seen those. So, just be cautious lang, no? Kasi, yun nga, if you aspire for that position, which is higher than the normal, you would be expected to do many things, including attitude, no? Siyempre, ikaw yung leader eh. Di siyempre, aasahan ka na matino ka. Kapag nagkamali ka, talagang para kang ginigisa, no? Kasi expected na maayos ka, no? O maayos ka sa ugali mo, sa pamamahala. So because you are the head, you are the leader, and more will be or marami ang i-expect sa'yo. Katulad din ng isang pare, no? Ang dami natin ine-expect. Pero, mahirap naman yung expect tayo ng expect, no, sa isang pare. And then, madidismaya ka na hindi sila pumapasa sa expectation nila because they also are human beings. May mga, rin, kahinaan, weaknesses. Kaya, tayo, kahit wala tayong ganong kalaking kapangyarihan, but sa mata naman ng Diyos, in the eyes of our Lord, tayo naman ay malinis at may kakayahan. Igagawad pa rin sa atin ng Panginoon ang mga bagay na nararapat sa. So, yun ang sinasabi ni Faustina.